What up, family? Welcome back to BGBE Reviews. It's your boy Big Gator, and today we took a ride down to Sylvester, Georgia, to Jackson Soul Food, a spot that was brought to my attention a couple of years ago, honestly, by my CDL teacher back when I was learning to drive the big rigs. He told me about it, said I ought to go down there and check it out. So now that I'm doing my review thing, I'm gonna do that. Y'all go ahead and take a ride with me. You know how it go. Give you a few minutes to check it out. Be right back. All right, glad to have y'all back, fam. I know y'all saw from the pretty shots earlier. Grabbed us some oxtails and rice. I got a little corn, some cabbage. Got to have the cornbread. And to be honest, can't judge any soul food place without having some of their fried chicken and some of their sweet tea. So I'm gonna first take a jump at this sweet tea and see how it hit. We're gonna get to that. That's really sweet. Ooh, that's real sweet. Jesus. Hey, it's sweet, sweet tea, but we in the South, that's how we like our sweet tea. So I ain't arguing with that. Now we're gonna take us a quick look at this fried chicken, folks. Look at that, we got some chicken thigh here. It is fried to perfection. We're gonna take us a quick bite of this skin first. Gotta check the skin first. Come on, y'all. mm, mm, mm. Lord have mercy, that's good action right there. But we gotta at least taste the chicken. I mean, the skin is that good, my God. The chicken got to be where it's at. Jackson fried chicken, baby. Y'all gotta give me a minute. Goodness, I don't know what A season that. That gave me the stutters, y'all. That's like grandma fried chicken right there. Good goodness alive. That's good action right there. I can do that all day long. Well, let's jump into the main course, y'all. So first we're gonna get us a little bit of this cabbage, and I'm a cabbage person. So we're gonna get at this cabbage. See how this cabbage here. Can use a little bit of salt, but it's cooked awesome. There's some really good cabbage. But hey, everybody don't like a lot of salt in theirs. You be the judge. What I say, use a little bit of salt, but it's still hitting. But we're gonna jump into this cream corn here. And I love corn. Well, we're gonna jump into that. I might be a little bit biased, but I love corn, so what? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's good action right there, too. And we're gonna take a jump into these oxtails. My God, I've been wanting some oxtails for a minute, so we gotta take a jump there. But we're gonna try the rice first with the oxtail gravy on it. Man, that's rice with good oxtail gravy. The oxtails are good. Meat falling off the bone. Ooh, Lord have mercy. And we're gonna give this a try too, y'all. With the oxtails and rice. Ooh, with a little fall off, but it's all good. Hey, it's tender. Seasoned it, man. It tastes like they cooked these all night. My goodness. I have no complaints. We gotta go back for a second. We gotta validate the parking on this one. Yes, Lord. These oxtails and rice, where it's at. And we snuck in some dessert too, y'all. We got some sweet potato souffle for dessert. My mother-in-law has been trying to get me to make sweet potato souffle for her for the longest for the holidays. I might just sneak and get her some of this. So let's see how I hit, y'all. Oh man, you can taste the cinnamon, brown sugar, everything in there. That is hitting. Man, I didn't even touch the cornbread, but I don't have to. Look, Jackson's down in Sylvester, Georgia. This is one of the best soul food places I done had in a while. I gotta be careful saying that. My wife might get upset. But they close to her cooking. But Jesus, this is good action. Hey, on a scale of 1 to 5, they get all 5 of them. Beautiful. Hey, I recommend anybody check this out. If you're in the Sylvester, Georgia area, I'm gonna put the address on the screen for you. Please go over there and check them out. This is one of the best soul food places I've had in a long time. Y'all really need to try it. Do me a favor, if you're watching this, like, subscribe, share, send it to your friends, your family, send it to people you don't even like. I'd appreciate it. It'll help me get this channel grown. I'll see y'all next time.